Welcome guys, let me review to you a profitable strategy you can use to trade volatility 100 index profitably. Now, this particular strategy works best on 1 hour time frame. Now, two indicators are used here, moving average and ADS. Step number 1, identify the direction of the market. Is the market bullish? Is it bearish? Is it in a ranging state? These are the three things you need to first of all identify before you start even trading. Do you understand? Now, how do you identify when market is in ranging? Now, whenever you see moving average moving across the candlesticks, that is a clear indication that the market is what in a range state. The market is what in a ranging state. Whenever you see the moving average moving across the candlesticks, is a clear indication that the market is what in a ranging state. Now, when the candlesticks are below the moving average, that is what a downtrend. Whenever you see the candlesticks move above the moving average, that is what a clear bullish state. Do you understand? Now let me explain to you what I mean. Now watch here. Now you see that the moving average is moving across the candlesticks. The moving average is moving across the candle what? The candlesticks. You see the moving average in the middle. You see the moving average in the middle. So this is a clear indication that the market is what in ranging state. So whenever you encounter this, in the case of this particular strategy, whenever you encounter a ranging state, you stay clear from the market. Do you understand? You stay clear from the market. This particular strategy works best when the market is what on trend, when the market is trending, either bullish or bearish. Do you understand? Do you understand? So that is what a range state. That is how you discover or you find out where the market is what in a ranging state. Do you understand? Now, whenever you see the candlesticks are below moving average, candlesticks are below moving average, that is what a clear downtrend. Do you understand? So you will only be looking for sell position. Do you understand? Only be looking for sell position. And where you get your sell signal is whenever you see the red line of the ADS move in what that crosses with the green ADS, whereby the red line of the ADS is above while the green line is what below. Then you trace it and see where particularly this occur. Now you take your sell position here. Do you understand? Take your sell position here, and this is what a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? So identify the direction of the market. When the market is what in a bearish state, only look for what sell signals. When it is what in a bullish state, only look for what buy signal. When the market is in what in a ranging state, you stay clear from the market. Do you understand? You stay clear from the market. Now we move. Now you see that the market is still in what in a bearish state because the candlesticks are still below the moving average. So only be watching out for what sell positions, sell signal. Do you understand? You take your position here, and this is what this is a small gain for you. Do you understand? So only follow the what the trend. Only follow the trend. Now watch here. You see that the market is what in bullish state. The market is what in a bullish state. So only watch out for buy positions. Do you understand? Only watch out for buy positions. Now you see here, you see the crossing here, then we trace it where actually this happened. Do you understand? So this is where that occur. You take your buy position here. Do you understand? And this is what a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? So in this case, only be looking for buy position. Only for looking for what buy position. Here is another opportunity for you to do what to make a lot of gain. You see the crossing there. You see this crossing. So this is where you need to make your entry. Do you understand? And here is what a lot of gain for you because we are following the trend. Do you understand? We are following the trend. So the market right now is what, in a bullish state. So we'll only be looking for buying signals. Do you understand? So this is another opportunity for you here. Here is another opportunity for you because there is crossing there. You trace it where it's occur. Do you understand? So if you trace it, this is where the particular crossing occur, and this is a small gain for you. We take it and go out immediately and wait for another opportunity. Here is another opportunity for you to reap the market. Look at it. Here is another crossing here. Can you see it clearly? So you trace it where it's occurs here. You take care what buy position here. Take a buy position here, and this is what a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? So only follow the what, the trend. Follow the trend. Trade according to the trend. Trade according to the what, to the trend. So the market is still in a bullish state, so we continue buying. We continue what, buying. We continue buying. Here is another opportunity for you to do what, to make extra gain. Here is the opportunity for you to make what, excess gain. Do you understand? So here is what, a great gain for you. Do you understand? Because the market is what, in a bullish state. Look at it here. The market is what, in a bullish state. So we only be what, buying. We only be considering buying opportunities. Do you understand? Do you understand? So yeah, the market is in a bullish state. Again, you look for crossing here, you trace it. This is where it's occur. So you take a buy position here and make again, as easy as that. Do you understand? So always follow the trend. Always what, follow the trend. Do you understand? Always follow the trend. Now here the market is what, in a downtrend because the candlesticks are below the moving average. So only watch out for sell position here. Do you understand? So when you make your entry here, you make a small gain here. Do you understand? And that is it. Do you understand? Only follow the what? Follow the trend. If you watch here, the market is in a bearish state now because the candlesticks are below the moving average. So we'll be watching out for sell positions only. Sell position. Here is a cross. Do you understand? Here is a cross. Then you trace it. So here you make your sell position here. Do you understand? And this is what, a lot of gain. Do you understand? This is what, a lot of gain. So the market is still in a bearish state. So we keep on watching out for sell entries. Do you understand? Here is another place for you to make a sell entry. Do you understand? You make your entry here. Do you understand? And this is what, a lot of gain for you. So the market is still bearish and you keep on making your gain. Do you understand? You keep on making your gain. Here is another place for you to enter. Do you understand? Another place for you to enter. Another place for you to enter. Make a sell here and the excess gain for you. Do you understand? So you keep on moving. See, the market is still selling. The market is still selling. You can still enter here. You can still enter here. The only thing you'll be considering is the selling. Do you understand? Only be considering the selling. Do you understand? Because the market is what, below the moving average. The market is below the moving average. Do you understand? So you keep on selling. Do you understand? This is excess gain for you. Excess gain. Excess gain. Do you understand? This is excess gain. Now, if you watch here now, you see that the market changed the direction here. The market changed direction here and is now bullish. Do you understand? So only be watching out for places where you need to do what, make your buy positions. Do you understand? You enter here. Do you understand? And this is what, a lot of gain for you, as easy as that. Do you understand? As easy as that. Okay, as easy as that. So let me show you the settings. The first indicator is moving average. Period is 200. Method exponential. Apply to close. Do you understand? The second indicator is what? ADS. The period is that style. The color of the style should be the same as what? The background of your screen color. Do you understand? So if you like my previous video, subscribe to my channel and share the video for others to benefit. Thank you.